Hello there and welcome back to the third chapter of my C tutorial, that is while loop. In this video, we'll be printing numbers from 1 to 10, then we'll print from 1 to n provided n as user input, and lastly we'll print numbers from n to 1. Till now, we have printed only one single number or calculation result of two numbers. But this time we'll print n numbers, that is from 1 to n or 1 to 10 or from 10 to 1 or n to 1. This thing is possible in two ways. One way is while loop and the second way is by using for loop. The for loop part we will be doing in the next chapter, but in this chapter we will be doing the while loop. So let's begin with opening this Turbo C++. Start Turbo C++. Now it's opening. Yeah, it's open. So I can't find. Okay, the cursor is here. So hash include the header files. Then hash include phonio.h. Then void main. Oops, space. Then clr semicolon get ch semicolon. Okay, and now initializing a, will print from 1 to n, 1 to 10. So we'll initialize a as 1. Okay, because we are printing from 1 to 10. Now we'll use while loop. While a is less than equal to 10. Now what is the meaning of this line? While a is less than equal to 10. As long as a is not equal to 10, or better to say a is less than equal to 10. As long as the value of a is less than equal to 10, this loop will continue. This loop. This is the while loop. This is the beginning of while loop. This is the end of while loop. End of while, beginning of while. So as long as the value of a is less than equal to 10, this loop will continue. Once it crosses 10, that is once it becomes 11, it will get out of the while loop. So now we will be printing the value of a. Printf %d \t for one tab. We are using tab here. Then a++. Now what is the meaning of a++? A++ means this can also be written as a equal to a plus 1. A++ is equal to a is same as a equal to a plus 1. So to write less words, we write a++. So it's done, and let's check whether there is any error or not. No errors. It has printed from 1 to 10 with one single tab. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So you have seen how it has printed using one tab. It has printed from 1 to 10. Now let's check what is happening before and after while loop. What is the value of a before while loop and what is the value of a after while loop? To check the value of a before while loop, let's print it over here. Printf %d \n comma a. Now this line will print the value of a before the starting of while loop. Now let's check it. What happens? 1. Before while loop the value of a was 1. Now let's check what is the value of a after the end of while loop. So for that, let's print it over here. Printf \n %d comma a. This will print the value of a after the end of while loop. Let's check what happens. So you have seen after the end of the while loop the value of a is 11. Before the beginning of while loop the value of a was 1, and inside the while loop the value of a is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I think it is very much clear to you about the general concept of while loop. What actually happens in while loop. I think it is clear to you. Now let's see how we can print from 1 to n. So to print the value of a from 1 to n, to print from 1 to n, we have to do in some different ways. Let me show you a different way. Scanf, oops, not now, int n. N is the number that we are going to put input. Printf, and let's do it in a definite fashion. Enter a number. Last limit. No, enter the 4. 1 to n. Okay. So we have to do it like a equal to 1. Enter the last limit. Scanf %d comma and n. We are taking n as input. N is the last limit. Now n from 1 to n. Okay. Now let's check with the output. The rest will remain the same. We are printing from 1 to n with a single tab. So let's check it. Last limit, let it be 25. So it's 1 to 25. Okay. So we have printed values from 1 to n, where the n is given as user input number 25. Now let us print from n to 1. From n to 1. For that we don't require, I think we will not be requiring a equal to 1. N is greater than equal to 1. We'll print this line, means it will print the value of n as long as n is greater than equal to 1. This loop will run as long as n is greater than equal to 1. So for that we have to remove a plus plus to n minus minus. N minus minus means it is same as n equal to n minus 1. Okay. So let's print and check what happens. Limit, let it be 50. 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45. It has printed till 1. We can also put a different value. Let it be 23. 23, Now let it be something different, 127 or 137. So it has printed in a backward fashion from 137 to 1. So after going through this video, I think you have understood the basic concept of while loop and how to print from 1 to n, then from n to 1 and from 1 to 10. So the video ends here, but the chapter is not yet complete. In the next part, or better to say in the next video, we will be reversing a number using while loop. We will be taking a number as user input and reverse it, and we will be doing much more things, I think, in the next chapters. So thank you for watching this and have a great day.